Hey guys, it's Maggie. I want to introduce you to one of our new language coaches.
Hello, 你好，我叫何丽群 and I'm so glad to be your new language coach and nice to meet you. Thank you.
The other new language coach is a guy named Yu Yang, and we're super excited to have them here. And these two will be your language coaches for the rest of the year. So next time you talk to them, be sure to get to know them. Got some news. After discussing some good and bad points about the units, we decided to change things up a little bit to hopefully make things more easy for you and make it more able for you guys to absorb more. So the dialogue will still be the same, but under the grammar portions, we're going to have core and supplemental grammar. So the core grammar is what we really want you to have down for the lesson. And this way you guys will know. But then if you're cruising along and you have no problem with the core grammar, then we want you to check out the supplemental grammar, because this will help explain the more parts of the dialogue, and it's just good to keep in mind for your future language learning, because they're good parts to know. So the tasks that we're going to give you are also only going to focus on the core grammar, because again, that's what we really want you to have down. But if you guys are just, again, cruising along, you have no problem with the core grammar, or you just really want to learn more, then you can call one of us up and we'll have some supplemental grammar tasks for you guys to practice so you can get that. And so we hope this will help you guys feel less overwhelmed, because we know that there's a lot of new stuff with Chinese, but at the same time, if you're advancing, be able to do more. So then, on to section 1 of Unit 6. In this section, Susie receives a text message from Swin Mama that invites her to dinner, and in the dialogue, Marco and Swin Mama discuss what they're going to go buy for the dinner. So one thing about inviting someone over to dinner in China is, for the first time, is that it's kind of a big deal. The host will make a lot of food so that the guests will go home really full. And so in the dialogue, you're going to learn how to ask the question have, not have. So such as, like, do you have my textbook? Or do you have time? That kind of have. So this is an important thing to know, because you either generally have something or you are something. So last unit, in Unit 5, you learned be, not be. 是不是? You guys learned it in 甜不甜. Sweet or not. So this is the other way of kind of asking one of those something not something questions, which is 有没有, have not have. So it's really useful to know. But one important thing to note is that for 是不是, the response is 是 or 不是, and for 有没有, the response is 有 or 没有. But these can't be mixed. It doesn't make any sense to say 没事 or 不有. It just doesn't make any sense at all. Yu Chun, 你有没有时间？
有什么事？
我想去买菜，你要不要去？
好的，咱们走吧。
好，
再见。